Tabernacle Baptist High School basketball team has a reputation. With scores of basketball championships under their belt, the team has set a gold standard and stands as a symbol of high school basketball dominance. And Coach Byron Roll makes sure that with each dribble, defensive play, and shot, there's a lesson.
Basketball is like life. That's the idea, right?
Well, it's actually like life because it gives you an opportunity to be able to share life, whether that's with 3 boys where you play 3-on-3, or to play on a team where you have 5 boys presently on the basketball court, where you're being coached by a coach. And in some cases, the person that holds the ball in their hand is like a coach. You take the opportunity to take the other 4 boys that's on the basketball team with him and be able to, play as a team. And hopefully at the end of the day, like Stephen Curry, be the champion of whatever league that they're part of.
In addition to coaching the team, Coach Roll runs the 18-year-old Falcons Boys Club, which boasts of having mentored more than 3,000 boys. These drills may be monotonous, but players have learned to appreciate their value and to expect the rewards which come with accomplishment. And BTC is a big player in that.
As a non-profit organization, it's so much of a joy to have a company like BTC, not just in the Bahamas, but actually entrenched in the Bahamas and actually is involved in the lives of young men and young women who are responsible for using their services every day. Most of these young boys will be working up their own cell phones. They're on the various internet sites. So they're being able to contribute not just to BTC's income, but be able to contribute to the visual of BTC because they're actually on the internet all over the place. And it's an opportunity for us to see BTC contribute to the success of our young men. We host a conference that is called Building Youth is Better Than Mending Men. We actually host this conference here on the island of Grand Bahama. We host it in Nassau, and we host it in the island of San Salvador. And BTC gives us about anywhere from 100 to 200 phone cards to be able to give away to the young men that actually attend.
Aspiring basketball pros like these Tabernacle Falcon team members make it look easy, but it took me a few tries. It's unlikely that I'll ever make a championship team, but with a little work, I was finally able to connect with the basket. Keishla Adderley for the BTC Island Connection.